All right, guys, we got our Bacon Scouts package here. First package in from Bacon Scouts. We're so excited. Let's open it up and see what we got inside here. Some ice packs here. Ooh, and now the good stuff. The bacon. Apple cinnamon flavored. That sounds delicious, right? Hickory smoked bacon. Last but not least, hickory smoked raspberry chipotle bacon. Everything is nice and cold here. You can see, look at the quality on that, nice and thick. So we're gonna go ahead and get rid of the box and the packaging here. Now we're going to go ahead and have some fun with this bacon and taste it. So stay tuned. All right, guys, we're gonna start with our hickory smoked honey cured bacon here from Bacon Scouts. Got my skillet warming up here, so let's open this up and see how yummy it is. Go ahead and put it here. We got our skillet nice and warmed up. Let's cook up a few slices here. Smells delicious just coming out of the pack. One thing that's really interesting about this bacon here is, if you can see that, this is just about done cooking and it is not curling up. So look at that, guys, we are done. So there we have it, look at that. Let's go ahead and give it a try here. It looks amazing. That is good. It's thick. It's not like that wimpy cheap stuff you get at the store where you bite into it and it's just crunching up on you. That is good bacon, guys. So that's the hickory smoked that we cooked up. If you're looking to try some gourmet bacon, you need to give Bacon Scouts a try. Their Bacon of the Month Club is absolutely amazing. Every month you get a sample pack like this, what we're cooking here. You get a sample of some different types of bacon. It makes an amazing gift, which is really, really cool. Give somebody on your list who's hard to buy for, give them the gift of bacon. Everybody loves bacon. For that hard to buy for person on your list, bacon, 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 bacon.